Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is D, and you're now tuned into New Touch Auto. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove your side mirror from your Mitsubishi Outlander. Let's go. The door panel is connected by two Phillips head screws. The locations are here and here. We're going to begin with the plastic trim tool, and we're going to remove this panel behind the handle. Behind there, you'll notice that there's a Phillips head screw sitting right behind the handle. Our next step is to remove the screw that's underneath this rubber cover. And beneath it, you'll locate your Phillips head screw. Our next step will be to remove this panel here. We'll take our plastic trim tool and we'll pry our way around it. There's a clip on the back side. That's where you want to aim, to the middle area. Now we can go ahead and remove the door panel. After that, we will disconnect the electrical accessories behind the panel. We'll begin by prying our way around the panel, then we'll be able to unsnap it and remove it. After you make your snaps, you want to lift up on the door handle. Behind your panel, you will have connections connected to the back side. Now behind that panel, you have 4 connections. You have the door handles hook, you have 2 connections here, and 2 connections here. This connection isn't connected to anything, so you will let that remain there. So now we will go ahead and remove the 3 Phillips head screws on this panel here. Before removing those screws, you want to disconnect these 2 connections right here. Next, you want to disconnect the speaker's connection. Next, you'll go ahead and pull your panel and let your panel sit to the side. As we make our way inside the panel, you'll notice that there are 3 10mm screws holding this side mirror together. I'm going to go ahead and remove this cover here. And on the inside, that 3rd screw is sitting right there. So now we're going to go ahead and remove our electrical wiring from the door. Pull the tab out. Push this tab in. Then you want to route the wires around that panel. You can go ahead and remove your side mirror. You've now successfully removed your side mirror. Thank you for checking out this video, my subscribers. I appreciate y'all. For those who haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so and hit that subscribe button down below. Catch y'all on the next video.